My name is Ravati. I am studying 5th class in MP School, Lady Golapalam, Tadganjam, of Chunganjam.
Opposite words. Straight.
Bent.
Headmaster.
Headmistress.
Reach.
Depart.
Together.
Alone.
Good.
Bad.
Pat.
Bump.
Assemble.
Disperse.
Discuss.
Ignore.
Reside.
Move.
Narrow.
Wide.
Different.
Same.
Neighbor.
Distant.
Able.
Unable.
Right.
Wrong.
Childhood.
Adulthood.
Grow.
Shrink.
Found.
Last.
Like.
Dislike.
Sunrise.
Sunset.
Possible.
Impossible.
Insist.
Given up.
Everyone.
None.
Friend.
Enemy.
Learn.
Teach.
Today.
Tomorrow.
Special.
Ordinary.
She.
He.
Excited.
Depressed.
After.
Before.
Later.
Earlier.
Contribute.
Subtract.
All.
None.
Happy.
Unhappy.
Thank.
Sorry.
Ready.
Unready.
Ask.
Answer.
Never.
Ever.
Even.
Uneven.
Done.
Dusk.
Out.
In.
Newly.
Anciently.
Paved.
Unpaved.
Welcome.
Farewell.
Going.
Coming.
First.
Last.
Far away.
Near.
Down.
Up.
Came.
Went.
Astonished.
Depressed.
Astonished.
Bored.
Skill.
Inability.
Good.